So guys, what is going on? So today I'm going to be trying to give the MX5 a complete detail and like go over it with a compound and machine polish the whole car. Try and get the paint looking as good as possible. And because I just resprayed the front bumper, I'm probably going to end up wet sanding that and then obviously machine polishing that to make it, to try and get rid of that slight orange peel on top. I'll show you what that looks like. And also on the car there's always been a slight amount of like orange peel down the sides on the second, like the lower half of the car, which I'm going to try and get rid of, but I don't want to go too deep because I don't really want to go through the paint. But I'm just going to see how good I can actually make the current paint on the car. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I think I'm going to try on the Astra first, because it's got a few little scuffs. I'll show you how they look, that I can try and get out first, have a little practice attempt. And before I start this video guys, I want to give a big shout out to Exhausted, because I've been messaging him, asking him on advice and stuff, and he's been really helpful, telling me what to do and what stuff I need. So if you want to check out like some informational videos, go check him out. Let's get started. So as you just saw, I just finished cleaning the cars. I dried off both cars and I gave the front bumper a little bit of a wet sand just because I resprayed that part, a bit of orange peel, and then when we polish over that it should make it all shiny again. But now the first step, I've got to go over the whole car with a clay bar kit just to remove any dirt and imperfections from the paint so I don't scratch it when I use the actual machine polisher and compound. So let's get doing that. So guys, that is the easy part now done. Now we're going to move on to actually using like a cutting compound, and I have borrowed this machine polisher. We're going to try and take most of the scratches out of the paint. I'm pretty worried about doing this because you can actually burn the paint and go through it. I don't know how thin it is, so that's why I'm going to quickly practice on the Astra, get a feel for how to do it because I've never done this before, and then hopefully we can remove the scratches on the MX5 too. And that'll be looking really clean after that. So let's get to it. So guys, for a first attempt that has actually come out looking really good. The scuff is completely gone. Now if I go over that with a polish, that will protect the paint and make it look really good. That is actually not too hard to do guys. If you want to have a go at this, I would highly advise it. It isn't that hard at all. I'm going to just do the back a bit more, just to get more of a feel to it, and then I'll start on the MX5. So there you go, the car's been completely buffed. It's got rid of most of the little imperfections in the paint, but there's still like some of the deeper scratches, and there's like some dribbles of paint over the edge. Obviously it hasn't got rid of those. And also it didn't really fix up the orange peel on the side of the car too well, but the front bumper is actually looking really good. I'll go around and show you what that looks like. Here's the front bumper, and there's like most of the orange peel is now gone. It looks a lot more like how it did originally, like the factory paint on the bonnet. I'm actually really pleased with the finish on this. So now what I've got to do is I've got to polish the whole car, wax it, do all that to protect the paint as it is now, because it hasn't really got any protection on it. And then all the paint will be as good as it will be for now. So there we go, the car's been completely detailed. It looks well good. It's really shiny. Most of the scratches are out, but there's still a few imperfections and blemishes in the car because it's like 26 years old. And the orange peel on the side didn't really come out, but it looks really good. I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll see you next video, guys.